everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a very easy hairstyle that I made on my toddler using the Afro bond. I have a video on how to make your Afro bond, but however I just made a short video of how I created that in this same video. But if you want to watch the detailed video, you might want to check my previous one and you get to watch the full details. So this is a very simple hairstyle that I made. This is part of our birthday hairstyles. We made a series of hairstyles for our birthday, and this is one of it. I'm just gonna leave you to watch this. I try as much as possible to make it self-explanatory. I put in some information on the screen, so you might want to follow through the video so that you get the gist of the hair. Yeah, okay. So for my returning subscriber, I say welcome back, and if today is the first time you're seeing my video, welcome. I say welcome to you. Please subscribe to the channel and join the family. I can assure you you're going to be loving it here. On this channel I post protective hairstyles for kids, things that can help boost your hair growth. I also post that on this channel, so stay tuned to this channel, and please let me know your thought about this hairstyle. I actually took out the rubber bands after sectioning the path because I didn't want it to be too tight. We're dealing with a toddler here, so we don't want her to be uncomfortable. So you want to take out the rubber bands after sectioning the parts before braiding. It's just about 6 braids in front, and then I packed everything before attaching the bond. So please sit back and watch this video to the end. Do not forget to subscribe if you have not, and let me know your thoughts about this hairstyle in the comment section. For my TikTok fans, you guys are the real deal. I'm saying a big shout out to you all. Thank you for coming all the way from TikTok to watch the full video here, and for also subscribing. Thank you all for your love and support, and I'll see you in my next one.